Hi everyone, my name is Goshia Kazi and my presentation topic is disruption of comic book industry with 5G internet. Comic book industry. We all are familiar with the comic book as we all grown up reading several comic book magazines and periodicals since our childhood. What is 5G? The term 5G refers to the fifth generation mobile network and that is a combination of several high-end technology. 5G has imposed several beneficial impacts on the different industry. Now let's have a look on the disruption. 5G has impacted and disrupted the comic book industry in a greater way. Due to the 5G implementation, printed comic books are now replaced with the web comics. So now reader can access the comics from their mobile phone or laptop on the online platforms. That has improved the availability and accessibility of the comic for the readers. The trend of selling, purchasing, and marketing a comic is greatly impacted with the 5G with a new concept of Comic Hub, and that has comes with the mobile application, a Comic Hub application that provides an interface for both the readers and purchasers, and they can manage their purchase, they can manage their orders and track the history with the application. With the 5G advancement, readers can experience stereoscopic and motion comics with 3D images, animation, HD videos, and audio effects with better access. With the 5G advancement, webcomics have replaced the printed comics, and that has been resulted in a drastic decrease in printing publication. Due to that, that has made a greater loss to the small printing publication and bookstore. The figure illustrates the comparison of comic book sale with an impact of 5G. The given visualization express the impact of 5G on the purchase process of comic. Thank you.